Hello children, this is class 9th physics. Today we will discuss speed and velocity of chapter motion.
Speed, we know speed is equal to distance upon time. Means speed of an object is a distance traveled by an object in a given time. It is known as speed. Or we can write speed is rate of change of distance. Rate of change of distance is known as speed. The unit of speed is meter per second, centimeter per second, or kilometer per hour. These are the units. Meter per second is used in SI as a SI unit. Now, speed is a scalar quantity. It is a scalar quantity because only magnitude is required, no direction is required. Now, types of the speed. Speed is of different types. We will discuss its type. First is uniform speed. Uniform speed, when an object covers equal distance in an equal interval of time, whether this interval of time is maybe small or big, then the speed of an object is said to be uniform speed. I am taking one example. A car which started its journey from point A in a 10 seconds, it covers the distance of 400 meters. In next 10 seconds, it covers the distance of 400 meters, or in next 10 seconds, it covers the distance of 400 meters. So, we can see the speed is constant. How we will see? A point, B point, C point, D point, these are its destination points. So for the first case, we will see speed is equal to distance upon time. We can see distance 400 meters times 10 seconds. So
40 meter per second.
for this first case, if we want to find for this, and we will put the same value 400 meter and 10 seconds. Same value we are finding here. Means we can see here the speed is uniform in each and every
Instance.
So this type of speed is known as uniform speed. I am writing here when an object covers equal distance in equal interval of time. However, small interval may be speed is uniform, or speed is known as speed is said to be uniform speed. Now the second is non-uniform speed. uniform speed. Non-uniform speed, as the name shows, is when body covers unequal distance in an equal interval of time. If I am taking the same example, for the first 10 seconds, body covers 400 meters. For the next 10 seconds, body covers 300 meters, and for the next 10 seconds, body covers 500 meters. So, when we see this, for the first 400 upon 10, 4 meters per second. For the second, we will find 300 meters upon 10 seconds. So, we will find 30 meters per second. Oh my, 40 meters per second. Sorry. And for the next 500 meters and 10 seconds, we will see 50 meters per second. So we are getting different speeds for first 40 meters per second, for this instantaneous 30 meters per second, and for this 50 meters per second. So, in this journey, when object cover unequal distance in an equal interval of time, so in this type of motion, the speed is said to be non-uniform speed. Is it clear to you? When an object covers unequal distance in an equal interval of time, however small interval may be, speed is non-uniform. Please note this, everyone. Now the third one is average speed. This is the third one. Average speed. Most of the time we see that motion of the body is non-uniform type of motion. Suppose a train which starts its journey from Delhi and it reaches Agra in 2 hours. The distance between Delhi and Agra is 200 kilometers. So, in this instance, we can't say that the speed in this 2 hours will be constant. The reason is this, because when the train starts from the Delhi, it speeds up. When it reaches to Agra, it speeds down. It becomes slow. So, we can't say the speed all over the journey is constant. So, for this, we use average speed. So, how we will find the average speed? Average speed, total cover distance upon total time. So this is the third type of speed, that is the average speed. Velocity, distance covered by body in per unit time in given direction or in particular direction. Distance covered by body in per unit time. Same definition is for the speed. Means when speed associated with the direction it becomes velocity. So we can write speed of an object in given direction. Or we can write rate of change of displacement. These all define velocity. Velocity because direction is also associated with magnitude, so it is a vector quantity. Velocity is a vector quantity. Its unit will be also same, kilometer per hour, meter per second, or centimeter per second. Main thing, direction is mentioned.
The rate of the motion of body give us the speed of the body, but it will be more comprehensive if we specify the direction of the motion along with its speed. The quantity that specify both the rate of the motion and the direction is called velocity of the body. So, velocity of the body is the speed of the body in a particular direction. The unit of velocity is same as the speed, that is meter per second. Both speed and velocity are represented by the same symbol v. Velocity is a vector quantity whereas speed is a scalar quantity.
Now, again it's kinds, so we will see the types of velocity. First one, uniform velocity. I am taking an example. A body covers 40 meters in 10 seconds. It reaches to be 40 meters in 10 seconds, which is to see 40 meters in 10 seconds. So, when we see, and direction is also mentioned here, so the velocity will be s upon t, and we can see for all instance of part what is the velocity for this part, 40 upon 10, four meters per second. For the next instance, for the next instance. So when we see the body covers equal distance in an equal interval of time in a straight line, then this type of velocity is known as uniform velocity. Is it clear? Next is non-uniform velocity. For the non-uniform velocity, three things are required. First, either speed of object is same or direction of object is same or both are same. In all cases, what type of velocity we are getting, that is known as non-uniform velocity. I am giving you an example. In the first 5 seconds, a object completed 10 meters. In the next 5 seconds, object completed 15 meters. So we can see the speed is changed here. It's correct? Means a body covers unequal distance in an equal interval of time. Still it is known as non-uniform velocity. Direction is not same, but its speed is same. So it is known as non-uniform velocity. For the direction, I am taking another example. A person is moving around this circular path cover 100 meters in 5 minutes, 100 meters in 5 minutes, 100 meters in 5 minutes, or remaining 100 meters in 5 minutes. So in this condition, we can see the speed is constant. Equal distance is covered in an equal interval of time, but its direction is changed continuously. When the person is moving around the circle, its direction is changed continuously. So the second rule is followed. So according to this, direction is changed. Speed is constant, but direction is changed. So again, it is an example of non-uniform velocity. The ceiling fan is revolving continuously with the constant speed. Still, it is an example of non-uniform velocity, also known as variable velocity, because direction is changed. Or both means speed is changed along with speed, direction is also same. So again, it is an example of non-uniform velocity. So for the non-uniform velocity, all these things are required: either speed or direction change, or both the things change. Then it is known as non-uniform velocity.
Average velocity. When velocity of a body changing at uniform rate over a period of time, then it is said to be an average velocity. Average velocity equal to initial velocity plus final velocity upon 2. Units of all type of velocity are same as the unit of speed. Initial velocity is denoted by u and final velocity is denoted by v. Question number 1. Distinguish between speed and velocity. Question number 2. Under what condition is the magnitude of average velocity of an object equal to its average speed? What is the SI unit of speed? Is it same for velocity? Question number 4. Out of speed and velocity, which one is scalar and which one is vector?